Your brain is wired to avoid losses, even when it costs you money. Let me show you something strange. If you lose $100, it feels terrible. But if you gain $100, it just feels okay. Same amount, completely different feeling. Why? This is one of the most powerful forces in psychology, and it's the reason so many people make bad financial decisions. Imagine this. You buy a stock for $100. It drops to 80. Now, logically, you should ask yourself, would I buy this again at 80? If the answer is no, you should sell. But most people don't. They hold, they wait. They hope it goes back up, because selling would turn the loss into something real. And your brain hates that. So instead of taking a small loss, you risk a much bigger one. Now, flip the situation. You buy a stock at 100 and it goes up to 120. What do most people do? They sell. They lock in the profit quickly. So think about what's happening. You hold your losers and you sell your winners. Exactly the opposite of what successful investors do. And this pattern has a name. It's called loss aversion. Your brain feels the pain of a loss about twice as strongly as the pleasure of a gain, and that one bias quietly destroys your returns. But here's the key idea. A loss isn't what hurts you. Staying in a bad decision is. The best investors don't try to avoid losses. They cut them early and let their winners run. So the next time you see minus 100 on your screen, don't ask, how do I avoid this feeling? Ask instead, what's the smartest decision right now? And this is just one of many hidden laws of money. There are others that explain things like why bad money replaces good money, and how money really flows through the system. Once you understand these, you start seeing the system very differently. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more hidden laws of money, check out the one about why the rich get richer. It's called the Cantillon Effect.